I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful built-up neckline on my blazer. Start with your front basic bodice block. You can find my tutorial for drafting this in the description below. I'll be using clear acetate paper and a red marker to show transformations to my basic bodice block. You should work directly on a copy of your basic block. Extend the center front out by 1/2 inch. Then, from the high point of the shoulder, extend a temporary line 1 inch along the shoulder line. Mark a dot 1/2 inch above that point, keeping it parallel with the center front line. Using a French curve ruler, draw a smooth curve from the shoulder line up to that dot. Next, take a flexible ruler and connect the new shoulder point, now sitting at the neckline, to the upper chest line. This curve should be perpendicular to the shoulder line and parallel with the center front line at the upper chest. If you like a higher built-up collar, simply extend the shoulder to neckline longer. I find this built-up neckline pairs beautifully with a princess seam on the front bodice. If you'd like to learn how to create a princess seam, there are 2 types, and you can check out my other tutorial video linked in the description. Start with your back basic bodice block. Extend the center back up by 1 inch. Then draw a temporary vertical line parallel to the center back that passes through your high point shoulder. Next, extend the shoulder line so it matches the length of the front shoulder line, curving it upward to meet the temporary vertical line you just drew. Here's a helpful tip. If you like the curve to fit you more precisely, trace your own shoulder to neckline curve on paper and use that as a reference. The neckline curve should connect to the shoulder line at a perfect right angle, 90 degrees perpendicular. The reason for this is so that it can smoothly attach to the front shoulder line. If you like a higher built-up collar, simply extend the shoulder to neckline longer. And that's it. The design is complete. Now, here's a quick sewing tip for handling the sharp curve of the neckline. Clip notches at half the seam allowance. This will let the fabric move more freely when you're lining up the front and back pieces. And don't forget to stay stitch your curves first before you do this step. I paired this neckline with puffy sleeves and pleated sleeve attachments. If you'd like to learn how to make the puffy sleeves and pleated sleeve attachments, you can check out my other tutorial videos linked in the description. This elegant built-up neckline works beautifully across different fabrics. They look best in fabrics with enough structure to hold their shape, like the brocade I used here, which actually came from a tablecloth. Cotton can work well too if paired with a stiffer, fusible interfacing. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you give this neckline a try, tag me or share in the comments. I'd love to see how yours turns out. And if you'd like more design projects, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy designing!